Happy morning, students. Welcome to Grade 1 English class. Children, for this academic year, we are going to follow the Astrogen syllabus. That is, our English subject is fully based on Astrogen. This Astrogen book consists of 2 volumes, that is volume 1 and then volume 2. From this class onwards, we are going to follow first the volume 1. That is Astrogen course book and then activity book, workbook is also there for this volume 1. Look at this image, children. This is your Astrogen book which we are going to follow for this academic year. This Astrogen book contains 2 volumes, that is volume 1 and volume 2. Now we are going to learn volume 1. This is our Astrogen English book, that is you can say as the course book, class 1 course book volume 1, this first volume. This course book, that is a volume 1, consists of lessons, that is you can say as stories also or prose, and then poems, grammar, and then small basic exercise. So this is your first textbook, you can say as a textbook also, that is a course book volume 1. Along with this volume 1 course book, you have activity book. This activity book also contains lessons, that is the prose, poems, grammar and the basic exercises. First we have to learn either it may be a lesson or poem or grammar. We have to learn from the course book. After the completion of the course book, that is after completion of each lesson or poem or grammar, then we have to do an activity regarding to that lesson or poem or grammar. So this activity book also contains the same lesson, same poem and same grammar which we have learned in the course book. So this activity book is a additional of the course book volume 1. Now look at this, children. This is workbook for class 1, the volume 1. So this workbook also contains the same lesson, poem and grammar which we have learned in the course book. So the course book contains lessons, poem and grammar. First we have to learn from the course book and then with the help of the course book we have to do this workbook exercise and also you have to do the activity exercise in the activity book also. Once again listen to the theme of Astrogen book, children. So this Astrogen book carries 2 volumes, volume 1 and 2. Now we are going to learn volume 1. Volume 1 consists of course book and then activity book and also workbook. First we have to learn only through the course book. This course book contains, that is a poem, prose, that is lesson and grammar. With the help of this course book, we can do some workbook exercise and also activity. This workbook and then activity book contains the same lessons which we have learned in the course book. So if you are thorough with the lesson or poem or grammar in the course book, you can easily do the workbook exercise and also activity. Listen, children. Before entering into our first chapter in the course book, we should recall what you have learned in your previous class. So during this holidays, you may forget everything. So just we shall recall everything what you have learned in your KGs and then we shall start the chapter 1 syllabus for class 1. Children, now you don't have your course book or activity book or workbook with you. So you should listen this video carefully, learn thoroughly, you recall what you have learned in your previous class, thorough it and then take down the exercise which we are going to learn now in your rough note book and then when you receive your textbook, there is a course book, workbook and activity book you can take down in that. So now listen carefully. Before entering into our first chapter, we shall recall what we have learned in your previous class. First, we shall recall with the help of our workbook, that is volume 1 Astrogeo workbook. Children, on seeing this image, can you recall the alphabets? Do you know how many alphabets are there? Yes, there are 26 letters. How many letters? 26 letters from A to Z. Shall we recall your alphabets once again? You can repeat along with me also. Say louder. Open your mouth and you can say louder. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So have you all recalled, children? How many letters are there? Yes, there are 26 letters are there. We have recalled from A to Z in an alphabetical order, that is A to Z. Now with the help of these letters, we have to do some exercise in the workbook. So just again recall this letter, children. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and then Z. Children, now we are going to recall what you have learned now, that is alphabetical letters from A to Z, and then how to arrange this in order through our workbook. Now we are going to learn this workbook exercise, that is we are going to recall the workbook exercise which you have learned in your previous KG class. Look at this, children. This is a revision exercise that which you have learned in your previous class. Listen. Arrange the following words in alphabetical order. Look at this again. Listen carefully. Arrange the following words in alphabetical order. So there are words are arranged. So many words. How many words? There are 26 words are arranged in each apple. Okay. Don't confuse it. There are 26 words are arranged. Each apple consists of a single word only. It is not a letter. It is a single word is there. So first you have to go through all the words which is written in each apple line by line. Learn with the spelling. And then afterwards what you have to do? You have to arrange. It is not in the order. It is not in the alphabetical order. First you have to learn each word, single word with the spelling. Look at this. The first word and second word is everything is not in the alphabetical order. What do you mean by alphabetical order? That is, it must be A, B, C, D. Likewise, it consists of this is known as alphabetical order. It must consist of from A to Z. Okay, it must be in a straight order from A to Z. But here, this apple consists of different words, but it is not arranged in the alphabetical order. So you have to go through each and every apple, that is each and every word, and then after learning all these 26 words, then you have to fill here. See, look at this, 26 boxes are given there. So after learning each word, you have to arrange all the words in the alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means from A to Z. So the first letter of each apple. So you have to give more importance for the first letter which is written in the apple. So go through the letter carefully, and then after learning all the words which is written in the apple, then you have to take down this alphabetical words in the boxes given. So it is given mention as the number up to 26. So how many alphabets are there? Yes, there are 26 alphabets from A to Z. So again go through the words and then you have to note down each word in each box. Now look at the first word, children. Y-A-R-N. Yarn. What is it? Yarn. Y-A-R-N. Yarn. What is the beginning, first letter of this word yarn? Can you say? Yes, it is Y. The first letter of the word yarn is Y. Look at the next apple. What is the word is given? P-U-R-S-E. Purse. What is it? Purse. What is the first letter of this word? P. Good. Look at the next word. What is the spelling? Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. What is the word? Ball. Can you identify what is the first letter of this word ball? Yes, it is B. Then next, you have to say what is the first letter of the fourth apple? Yes, it is H. Can you say the word? What is the word in the fourth apple? Hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. Next, M-I-L-K. Milk. The first letter of the word is M. M-I-L-K. Milk. Then next, look at the next word. The next word is zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. So what is the first letter of this word? Z. Come to the next word. Coat. C-O-A-T. Coat. What is the word? Coat. C-O-A-T. Coat. The first letter is C. Again, let's recall only the first set of apple. That's the first line. The first word, yarn, it begins with the letter Y. Second one, purse, it begins with the letter P. The next, ball, it begins with the first letter B. Then fourth one, hand, begin with the first letter H. The next, milk, M, that begins the first letter as M. Next, zebra, it begins with the first letter Z. Next one, coat, the first letter is C. Likewise, you have to identify, children, the remaining apples also. So, look at the next second line. A-R-R-O-W. Arrow. Say loudly, arrow. What is the first letter of this? A. Arrow. The next, nurse. N-U-R-S-E. Nurse. Pronounce it properly, children. Say louder. Nurse. N. The first letter of this word is N. Next, tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. The first letter is T. Look at the next apple. It is doll. D-O-L-L. Doll. The first letter is D. Next one, Christmas. That is a X. Begin with the letter X. Next one, frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. The first letter of this word is F. Look at this, F. The next one is igloo. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. What is the first letter of this word igloo? Yes, it is I. Now let's recall this second line, children. Arrow. The first letter is A. Nurse. What is the first letter of nurse? N. Tree. The first letter is T. Doll. D. Christmas. That is X. The next, frog. The first letter is F. The next one, igloo. The first letter of this word igloo is I. Now let's go for the third line. Now listen carefully, children. The first word in the third line is onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. What is the first letter? O. The word onion begins with the letter O. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. The next, juice. J-U-I-C-E. Juice. The first letter is J. J-U-I-C-E. Juice. The next, eagle. What is the first letter of this word eagle? E. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Next one, lamp. L-A-M-P. The first letter of the word lamp is L. The next one, watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. The first letter of the word watch is W. Next one, goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. What is the first letter of the word goat? Yes, very good. It is G. Next one, snake. S-N-A-K-E. Snake. What is the first letter of the word snake? Yes. Yes is the first letter of the word snake. Now let's say the third line. What is the first letter of each word? Onion. O. Juice. J. Eagle. E. Lamp. L. Watch. W. Goat. G. Snake. Yes. Now look at the last line, children. Vase. V-A-S-E. What is the first letter of the word vase? Yes, it is V. V-A-S-E. Vase. The first letter is V. The next one, kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. What is the first letter of the word kite? K. K is the first letter. K-I-T-E. Kite. The next one, udder. U-D-D-E-R. Udder. The first letter is U. The next one is quill. Q-U-I-L-L. Quill. What is the first letter of the word quill? Q. The first letter is Q. The next one, R-I-N-G. Ring. What is the first letter of the word ring? R-I-N-G. Ring. Okay, so using the first letter, we have to identify which should take place the first position and which should take place in the next position. So, go through the words once again. With the help of the first letter of each word, we have to arrange this set of apple in an alphabetical order, which is the mentioned in the box. You have to write in that. So, listen carefully, children, once again. The first one is yarn. The first letter of this word is Y. The next, purse. The first letter is P. Ball. The first letter is B. The next one, hand. H. The first letter is H. The first letter is H. The next one is milk. M-I-L-K. Milk. So, the first letter of this is M. The next one is a zebra. The first letter is Z. The next, coat. The first letter is C. Arrow. A. Nurse. N. Tree. T. Doll. D. Christmas. X. Frog. F. Igloo. I. The next one, onion. O. Juice. J. Eagle. E. Lamp. L. Watch. W. Goat. G. Snake. S. Vase. V. Kite. K. Udder. U. Quill. Q. Ring. R. From this word, you have to arrange in an order for this 26 words in the alphabetical order. That is, alphabetical order means from A to Z. Can identify what is the word you can use the as a beginning of the word, the alphabetical order. It must contains the letter A as the first. So, can you identify the word? Yes, the first one is arrow. A-R-R-O-W-A. With the help of the letter A, the beginning letter is A for the word arrow. So, we have to write this arrow in the first position. Then again, what is the second letter? It is a B. It must start with B. Using this apple, you have to identify what is the second one. That is, what is it? Ball. Ball is the second one. And third, that is the C. After B, you have to identify C. C is coat. The next, D. D stands for doll. After D, E. E stands for eagle. The next, F for frog is there. And then G, identify the apple. G is for goat. And then H for hand, I for igloo, and then J for juice. The next letter is K. K, that is a K for kite. The next one is L for lamp. And then M for milk. The next N for nurse. O for onion. Next P for purse. The next Q for quill. The next letter is Q. Q for quill. R for ring. Then S for snake. T for tree. That is U for udder. V for vase. And then W for watch. Then X for Xmas. Then yarn. Y-A-R-N. Where is yarn? Yes, it is the top. Yarn. Then last one is Z for zebra. So now we have identified the alphabetical words, that is from starting the letter with A to Z. So now we have to take down the words in the place which is given below the boxes. So now you have to take down these words with the spelling, with the correct spelling, in the alphabetical order. You have to take down using the apple which is mentioned above. First is arrow, begin with A, the next B, C, D, E, F, G, H, likewise up to Z. You have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. So let's recall this. The first one is arrow, ball, coat, doll, eagle, frog, goat, hand, igloo, juice, kite, lamp, milk, nurse, onion, purse, quill, ring, snake, tree, udder, vase, watch, Christmas, then yarn, zebra. So likewise you have to take down this, children, write it neatly using pencil. You have to write with this box, take down the spelling from this apple, write it neatly, spell it and write it. Children, now let's learn about the rhyming words. Rhyming words means it ends with the same sound. The words with the same sound is known as rhyming words. The letters they end with the word and it end with the same letters. The end of the letters must be same. So we can easily pronounce it. So the sound of the words must be same. The end sound of the words must be same. That is known as rhyming words. This is the next page of your workbook, children. First we have learned the words and we have arranged the words in the apple in the alphabetical order. All the 26 words we have arranged, we have learned, and then we have written in the box. The next page is the rhyming words. So both the sides, that is a 5 words are given. So match the rhyming words. You have to go through the words, pronounce it properly, and with the help of this we have to, that is the help of the sound, the end sound, you have to match the words. So both the side 5 words are given, children. First let's go through the words in the left side. Look at this, match the rhyming words. What is the spelling for rhyming? R-H-Y-M-I-N-G, rhyming. Match the rhyming words. That is, both side words are given. You have to go through the words, pronounce it, read louder, and then with the help of the sound we have to match the word from left to right side. First let's go to the left side. Hat. Pronounce it properly, children. Now you can read along with me. Hat. H-A-T, hat. Again say H-A-T, hat. Pronounce it properly, children. Open your mouth, read louder. Hat, H-A-T, hat. Second one, top. T-O-P, top. This T-O-P, top. Third one, hen. H-E-N, hen. Then fourth one, sun. S-U-N, sun. Fifth one is pin. P-I-N, pin. Now again let's read the word, children. Hat, H-A-T, hat. T-O-P, top. H-E-N, hen. S-U-N, sun. P-I-N, pin. Very good. Now let's read the words in the right side also. Look at the first one, bun. B-U-N, bun. Second one, bin, B-I-N, bin, B-I-N, bin. Third one, bat, B-A-T, bat, B-A-T, bat. And then fourth one is M-O-P, mop, M-O-P is mop. And then fifth one is pen, P-E-N, pen. Again, let's read this 5 words, children. Bun, bin, bat, mop, and then pen. Now look at the left side, children. The first word is hat is there. H-A-T, hat. What is it? H-A-T, hat. Can you identify the sound of the, that is the last sound of the word from the right side? Hat is given in the left side. We have to match the word hat with the right side of the rhyming word. Now you have to identify what is the rhyming word of hat. Now I will read this right side words. You listen carefully and then you have to say what is the rhyming word of hat. Bun, bin, bat, mop and pen. Can you say what is the rhyming word of hat? H-A-T, hat? Yes. The rhyming word of hat is bat. B-A-T. Bat. The rhyming word of hat is bat. The end sound of hat and bat are same. It ends with the letter A-T and A-T. So the rhyming word, the sound of the words hat and bat are same. So this is known as a rhyming word. Hat is matched with bat. So we go for the second one. Top. T-O-P. Top. The sound is top. Now look at the right side. Bun, bin, mat, mop and then pen. Can you identify what is the rhyming word of the word top? Yes, the rhyming word of the word top is mop. Look at the spelling for mop. M-O-P, mop. The sound of top is T-O-P, top. The rhyming word for top is mop, M-O-P, mop. It ends with the letter as O-P and then here also O-P. So the word top is matched with the word mop, M-O-P, mop. Now look at the next one. Hen, H-E-N, hen. The third word is hen. Now let's identify what is the rhyming word matched with the word hen. Now let's read the words in the right side. Bun, bin, bat, mop and then pen. Yes, what is the rhyming word for hen? H-E-N, hen. The rhyming word match for the word hen as pen. P-E-N, pen. It ends with the sound as E-N. Pen. E-N is there. The letter it ends with E-N. So the word hen is matched with pen. Now look at the next one. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. The sun. What is the sound here? Yes, it ends with the U-N. Sun. The rhyming word for sun is bun. B-U-N. Bun. The last one, that is pin. P-I-N. Pin. That should be matched with the word bun or bin. B-I-N. Bin. So here on the left side, the word is given as pin. P-I-N. Pin. And it should match with the sound bin. B-I-N. It ends with the letter I-N. So it should match the pin with bin. Now look at this, children. After reading your book, you have to match the rhyming words like this. Listen here. Hat should match with bat. And then top you have to match with mop. Hen with pin. And then sun with, what is the red sound? That is a bun. And finally pin with bin. So likewise you have to match the rhyming words. Look at this, children. The next is the missing vowels. Can you recall what are the vowels? The alphabet from this. So that is A, E, I, O and U are known as vowels. What is it? The letter A, E, I, O and U are known as vowels. Using the vowel letters, you have to fill this blank to make a meaningful word. Listen, children. The first W is there. The next letter is missing. The third letter T is there. The next letter is missing. R, M. The next letter is missing there. The next L is there. The next letter is missing. The final letter is N is there. You have to fill this blank using a single letter, and this single letter must be a vowel. That is, it must consist of the letter maybe A, E, I, O or U. Look at the first letter, that is the first word, children. Some letters are missing. Can you identify what is the word letter you can fill there, and to make a meaningful word, think it and say, yes, good. It is watermelon. W-A-T-E-R. Watermelon. M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. You have to fill the letter A, E and then E and O in the blank. The next one is O-R dash N-G again dash. Now guess and say, children, what is the letter you have to fill there? And identify what is the word? Yes, orange. It is orange. So what say the spelling? O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. So now what is the letter you have to write in the blank? A and E. Orange. The next one is H dash and R-S dash is there. Can you say the word? Yes, it is horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. In the blank you have to fill as O and E. The next one P, two blank is there, then C, then again one blank, C-K. Can you identify the word? Yes, it is peacock. Now say the spelling for peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. What are the letter you have to use in this blank? E-A-C-O. E-A and then O you have to write it. So this word is peacock. Then come to the next box. Dash P-P-L dash is there. It is the simplest and easiest word. Can you say, children? Yes, very good. It is apple. What is the spelling for apple? A-P-P-L-E. Apple. So what is the two blanks you have to fill? A and then E. The next box is U and dash F dash or M. Can you guess this? Yes. This is uniform, which you wear daily to school. It is uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Uniform. The next is ice cream. Yes, what is the spelling for ice cream? I-C-E is ice cream. C-R-E-A-M. Cream. Ice cream. Can you say what is the letter you have to write in the blank? Yes, E and then again E and A. So this is ice cream. The next one W-H dash T dash. Two blank is there. Using the vowels, that is a, E, I, O and U. Using this 5 letter, you can use any vowel, any letter to fill the blanks. Can you guess, children? Yes, it's white. W-H-I-T-E. White. The next is the easiest thing. E-L-P-H-N-T. Can you identify what is the word here? Yes, it is elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. What is the letter you have to use in the blank? E and A. The next one is vegetables. What are the letters you have to use here? V-A-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Vegetables. What are the words you have to use in the blanks? V-E, again G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Vegetables. The next one, T-B-L- two blank is there. Can you guess the word, children? Yes, it is table. T-A-B-L-E. Table. You have to use A and E in the blanks. Look at the final one. C dash, again C dash, then N, again one blank is there, T. Identify the word, children. Yes, very good. It is coconut. What is the spelling for coconut? C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut. What are the blanks you have to fill? O and then U. Coconut. Look at this, children. After reviewing your books, you have to write the missing vowels like this in the blanks in page number 5. That is in your workbook. The first one is, again I will read the words. Listen carefully. Watermelon, orange, horse, peacock, apple, uniform, ice cream, white, elephant, vegetables, table and coconut. Likewise, you have to fill the blanks using the vowels, that is A, E, I, O and U. Using the 5 letters, you can use any letter to fill the blank and to give the word a meaningful. So children, today we have learned how to arrange words in the alphabetical order, and then we have learned about rhyming words and then missing letters. So children, till you receive your books, you have to take down this work in your rough notebook. So write these words, that is the alphabetical order, write the words in the alphabetical order and then match the rhyming words and write the missing letters in your rough notebook. After completing this, take a photocopy and send it to me. Thank you.